Imagine Google creates a free tool for local business owners that unlocks access to thousands of local, ready-to-buy customers at the exact moment they're searching for what you sell. Would that be good or good? Because that's exactly what they've done. And the best part, it's 100% free and it only takes 10 minutes to set up. You see, this is called the local 3-pack and it appears above the regular search results. And this is where the magic happens. If you're not using it, those customers are going to your rivals instead. So let's fix that. It's time to get your business on the map.
It's without cost, yet peerless in value.
That's Max Monopoly. More from him in just a moment. Now, to qualify and get your business on the Google map, all you need is to meet your customers in person, either at your or their location. A real address, a virtual office or a PO box won't cut it, but you can use a co-working space as long as it's a place where you serve customers. And a working business phone number. If you meet those requirements, you can get your business on the map. Here's how it works. When someone types something like plumber near me or divorce lawyer in Maine, Google shows a special box right at the top called the local 3-pack. And the businesses in that box, they get 700% more clicks. But first, you need the key. And that key is your Google Business Profile.
It's a very special key.
Now, setting this up isn't hard, but there is a catch. Mess this up even just slightly, and Google might not verify your business. Or worse, they might actually flag your listing and take it down entirely. So in this video, I'm going to walk you through the process step by step, so you don't mess this up and you get it right from the start.
So when they seek, it is you they find.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4 easy steps to follow. Now, before you get started, you will need to create a Google account. If you don't have one, you can create one for free just by heading over to Google and choose an email that reflects your business name and looks professional. For example, expert-velocity@gmail.com. Step 1, the basics. Now head over to google.com/business and log in. Now, it's possible Google's already created a listing for you. If they have, then you can just claim it. Otherwise, you need to create one from scratch. Just click on Add Your Business to Google and then begin the setup process.
A shrewd name today means richer rents tomorrow.
Yeah, exactly. Customers and Google love a clear and simple business name that explains exactly what it is that you do. So Pete's Pipes, that would be outranked by Pete's Plumbing. Amicable Now would be outranked by Amicable Divorce Mediation. And Lewis Law would be outranked by Angel Law for anybody searching in Angel, Islington, London. But there's a catch. Google says your name should reflect your business's real world name, as used consistently on your storefront, website, stationery, and as known to customers. So if you do use this strategy, make sure your name is consistent across all your branding throughout. Now enter your primary business category. There's over 4,000 categories to choose from, and this category will decide who sees your business. So take a moment to make sure you get this right.
Put yourself in your customer's shoes. What will they search for?
Exactly. Choose a category based on what your prospects are likely to search for. So you could select car chauffeur service, for example, but if your customers are searching for car rentals, well, you're never going to show up. So how do you know what your customers are searching for? And if you can actually outrank your competition for that category? And what is the best business category for you? Well, the answer to that question is research. Start by checking what categories your competitors are actually using. That's a good head start. But better still, complete a local SEO audit to learn what are the most popular search terms in your area and how difficult it's going to be to rank for them. Because here's the thing, there's no point choosing a higher traffic category if you've got zero realistic chance of ranking for it. To find out, you can use tools like SEMrush, Ahrefs, or Moz Local. Expect to pay around $130 per month for the service. But there's also a free option. Now, from time to time, we will actually offer a free local SEO audit. Just check out the video description to see if that's currently available. Step 2, location and services. Now, your physical location will appear publicly, so it should be a professional place where your customers and prospects can visit. Home addresses are allowed, but of course, think carefully about your privacy. You'll also need to verify this address, so make sure it is accurate. More on that in a little bit. For service area businesses, you'll be asked for a list of areas that you serve, up to a maximum of 2 hours away. Now, you won't need to list an address publicly, but they will ask you for one for verification purposes. Now, this stage, Google's going to ask you to verify your business. but we're actually going to skip that for now and verify later. We're going to come back to that. Now add the services that you offer. Now this directly affects who your business is going to be shown to, so it matters. Think of these like keywords. What are the services your customers will be searching Google for?
Only select services that are relevant. Clarity beats clutter.
Yeah, be careful not to overdo it. It can be really tempting to try and list every single service you can possibly think of, but it doesn't really work like that. So keep your services tight and relevant. Only list what you genuinely offer and what you actually want to be found for. Now again, it can be tempting to list that you're available every hour of the day, but that's going to hurt more than help. So just list the hours that you are genuinely available. If you go on holiday or there's another interruption in your service, then just update your profile, update your hours accordingly. The more Google learns to trust you through accurate, updated information, the greater your ranking chances will be. And Google isn't going to rank a business it doesn't trust. Now it's time to add your business description. Here's a simple format to consider. Start with what you do, then who you do it for, how long you've been doing it, the outcomes you've achieved, and why people choose you. Avoid using caps and excessive emojis. Keep it professional but engaging. Add photographs. Profiles with photographs will get 42% more requests, but avoid generic or stock images. They are frankly rubbish and they're likely to get rejected anyway. I recommend you upload at least 3 different images, preferably photographs that are uniquely relevant to your business. The goal is to make your profile feel real and authentic. For example, use a photograph of you or your team talking with a customer, with the product, outside your shop, in the office, or in your company vehicle. Quick note, Google does reject images, particularly on new accounts. Now, if that happens and you have uploaded genuine photographs or images that are related to your business, then just give it a few days after verification and try again if needed. Now, all of this will be a total waste of your time unless you get verified. If you're not verified, you will not show up in Google. Postcard of verification. Google sends a postcard with a code to your business address. Phone and email verification. Easy, but less common these days. And business video. Now, Google's preferred verification method, at least for most people. So here's a few tips. Now, plan ahead. You need to record this in one go. You can record for as little as 30 seconds and to a maximum of 5 minutes, but I recommend aiming for around 2 minutes. No sensitive information like bank details or faces. You need to match your location. So that means filming a nearby street sign or established landmark. Film branding elements that demonstrate your business name, for example, a storefront, a company vehicle, or branded uniforms. Demonstrate ownership, example, opening the storefront, opening the cash register, accessing staff-only areas. And for service-related businesses, show tools of your trade. So, example would be a garage full of paint supplies for a painter and decorator, an office or a meeting room for a therapist, or operating some trade software such as Photoshop if you're a graphic designer. So just by completing your verification, it puts you ahead in the race for customers. Now, Google's going to take 5 to 7 days to review your profile. So we can do in the meantime. Refresh your inbox every 10 seconds. Tempting, but no. Instead, be smart. Use this time wisely.
It's not the dice that decides who wins, it's the strategy.
Exactly. Now, this is a game where smart local businesses, just like yours, can take on and outrank bigger players just by learning the rules and executing the best Google monopoly tactics. In this video, you'll learn the 7 best strategies to get your business into Google's top 3 local search results. Businesses featured there get 700% more clicks. Watch that video now so when your profile goes live, you're not just on the map, you're on the top of it.